Hello guys, and welcome to the video of my project review, which is gym management project which I created using .NET framework. So let's get started. There are three types of users: owner, trainer and client. First of all, we go to the owner. We simply put our data. So here we are at the home page. My data will be shown on my home page. Let's go to the trainer. So here we can see which are the trainers working, what are their salaries, and we can do a create, read, update and delete CRUD operation on them from this table. So let's go for the update. Here we can update the data. All the data will be fetched automatically here, and if we want to update any of the thing, we can easily update that. There is a enroll button which also works the same, and we can just put the data we want, and it is also given the validation form which can be used to not get a null value or not enter the data with null value. So let's just find simply search the data if there is anything related to Z. So yeah, there is no data there, that's why it will not show the data. So let's try Larry. Yeah, it's showing that one person Larry is there and his salary, and you can just simply do the update and delete things with this. So as well as the trainer, there are client side, and here I have added one photo column, so we can see that client's photograph directly. So the same things, same features are there. You can just sort the things using names, IDs and all the things. So as well as the client, there is a supplement. You can do all the same things with the supplements also. Then we go to the contact page is the query page, you can say. If anyone wants to say anything from the client or the trainer side, he can just simply send the data to the owner. Here you can see what they want to say, what are their comments, what are their email ID and their name, and all the things are there. You can just simply delete the data from here also, and all the searching and sorting are also there. So let's go to the trainer side. So here we are. As we can see at the home page, all the details of the Bhavin Bhai is here. So let's go to the session. There is a session tables which are the we can see the session. If it's on future, then it will shown here, or if the data is over or the session is over, it will be shown here at the previous session. We can just simply hide the data from here. We can also enroll new session. Here we can just put the name and all the things. This is also validated. If anyone put any wrong data, any time things wrong, then he will get the error and he will not able to add the data. So from here you can simply just enter name, email and comment. Anything you want to say to owner, you can just write and click on the submit. It will go to the owner. So let's go to the client side. So as well is you can say, see there is a details of the client and the photograph of the client. So I used the wallpaper as a client's photograph. There is a supplement things. You can just simply add the supplements if you want to add want to buy that, or there is a session part. Here you can just see the sessions if there is a session any belongs to you. There is one more thing, one more feature, that is BMI calculator. You can just simply search your BMI by putting the data and calculate. Here you can just see the data. You cannot change the BMI calculator, so the clients cannot cheat to their growth or their anything related to their body. So here simply they can add to profile and it will be updated to the data. So here we can see the data is updated and the BMI will be latest. Here also the same things. You can just put the data all over the things you want to say to owner and other things. So that's all from my side. Thank you.